This garden is only allowed VVIP to enter it, not even flying first class. But I can watch them from my room. Muscat's best transit hotel, AEROTEL. Get ready for a room tour. And what are the facilities here? Curious about their dining offerings? Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Hi, Muscat Airport. Ever wonder what to do during a long layover? Battling jet lag and exhaustion? Sure, lounge access is cool, but why settle for a public spot? That's where a transit hotel plays an important role. But before we dive into the AEROTEL Muscat, let me share how I got here. I flew on Oman Air's 737-800 in business class from Cairo, soaking in that fantastic Omani hospitality and exploring the lounges at Cairo Airport. Check out all the details in the link below. Now, there's only one transit hotel at Muscat Airport, right on the 5th floor, AEROTEL. It's also easy to spot Oman Air First and Business Class Lounge, Prime Class Lounge, and the Flight Club Lounge, sharing the same floor. Talking about Plaza Premium or Airport Hotel AEROTEL, here comes an important travel hack for you. Whether you pay in cash or enjoy credit card benefits at Plaza Premium, you can actually earn extra points on their official platform, called Smart Traveler under the Plaza Premium group. These points unlock perks like free airport lounges, VIP services, airport hotels, and more. Scan my code over there and register now. Enjoy the 150 welcome points entirely free. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, let's get checked in. I booked a 6-hour stay with a meal for $100. Booking in advance turned out to be a smart move, because on site I heard others paid $200 for 6 hours without a meal. The lobby got that typical Middle Eastern decor shining in gold tones. I got my room key and a lunch voucher. Let the adventure begin. The hallway is surprisingly spacious, and there are plenty of rooms. My home for the day, room 632, faces the indoor garden. It's time for the room tour. A double bed right in the middle. Let's take a spin around the room. In the closet, we've got the usual goodies: slippers, dental kits, some shower essentials, just what I need for a quick transit stay. On the desk, they've thoughtfully provided drinking water, coffee, tea, and water boiler. I also found a branded pen and paper. Oh, there's a TV with an Apple TV right in front of the window. Behind those curtains, the VVIP Garden, exclusive for meet and greet passengers only. Even first-class guests cannot enter. Let's see who will pass here. No one. The bed and lighting looks cozy enough. Time to check out the bathroom. Toilet on the left, amenities in the middle, and a shower facilities on the right. Plenty of towels hanging around. Really convenient. Let's look closer with the bed. A phone, check. Room temperature control, check. And look, there's a UK power socket only. You may need to bring a converter. Overall looks great and clean, but just a little complaint. I might need to turn off the aircon to avoid a direct blast to the head while sleeping. Alright, it's time to nap. Catch you later. Before we dive into the facility and dining, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality content in the future. Check out this facility booklet I got during check-in. Surprise, surprise, you heard it right. Nothing available. So basically it's just a spot to catch some sleep. Finally, let's head over to the dining area called Flight Club, right next to the AEROTEL. It's got a lounge-like vibe with sittings. But where's the buffet? However, it's still a cozy spot to chill and kill time before the connecting flight. After looking around, I found a staff member and got my hands on the menu. Feel free to pause it if you are curious. I went for a sweet corn veg soup, but it was a no-go, so I settled for a cream of chicken soup with bread. The creamy chicken penne tasted just like their soup. Honestly, I don't find the extra $20 justified. AEROTEL definitely gets summed up for comfy and clean room, but paying an extra $20 for the meal? Nah, not worth it. You are better off exploring the food court below. I hope this unboxing report helps for your travel planning. In my next video, flying on the 787-9 Dreamliner from Muscat to Bangkok in business class service. Oh, did I mention the third time upgrading to the first class seat? Enjoy the premium services in the air and visit the best business class lounge at Muscat Airport. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.